Boost your packaging efficiency with the RDBM508S packaging machine. This versatile machine accommodates a range of product sizes and heights, adapting to your specific needs. Its unique standby function reduces idle production time by 30%, keeping your operations running smoothly. What's more, the RDBM508S employs advanced anti-cutting technology, aiming to save you resources. Count on at least a 20% increase in your packaging film utilization. In addition to these impressive figures, think of the savings in costs and the gains in productivity. Choose the machine that transforms numbers into tangible business results. RDBM508S. The power to enhance your packaging operations lies at your fingertips.